Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm on farm and I've been setting up a GPS link from a Trimble GPS terminal through into a Horsch drill that you can see behind me. It's run by a Muller screen inside the cab, and what I've done is I've set up the GPS link, and the idea behind this is that post-harvest we'll be drilling using variable rate plans, and as such we just wanted to ensure that everything was talking swiftly. So to do so, the next stage is to upload some ISO XML files. Again, on the computer I've put these ISO XML files, I've downloaded them from Omnia onto a USB stick and put them into a TASKDATA folder that resides on the USB stick. And once I've got that done, I've plugged the USB stick into the side of the terminal, and hopefully this next segment of the video will give you an insight as to how to launch those prescription files that we've put onto the USB stick. Now that we've got our GPS and Horsch terminal connected, the next stage will be to input the USB stick so that we can start to upload the prescription file that we've exported from Omnia. So to do this, put the USB stick into the side of the terminal. Once we've done that, down at the bottom right hand corner of the screen there is a little toggle button. So we're going to press that toggle button to get us through to our main setup, and in here we're going to use the scrolling icon at the top right to scroll to Isobus TC. We're going to press that toggle in, and then we're going to press that toggle again because the USB stick should automatically populate with the tasks that are on there. So press the toggle in again and it launches the task. There is a traffic light on the right hand side. If you press that button to the right of it, that launches the plan, and we can then toggle out of there, move up to track leader, and in track leader down at the left hand side press the boundary button, and by doing so, once we've pressed that boundary button, it takes us to our GPS screen. Now I'm using the little toggle button on the right hand side just to scroll out until I can see that variable rate plan. Now the reason I've had to scroll out is because it's quite far away is the field. But that said, that's successfully uploaded the prescription, so we can go to our drill screen and we can set off and drill. So there we have it. I've successfully managed to upload those ISO XML files into the Horsch Muller screen, and with the sync with the GPS from the Trimble screen, we're in a position to variable rate drill our 2024 crops. For any questions, any queries, please don't hesitate to get in contact. We're always here to help, and we look forward to a challenge. And for now, on to the next video. Cheers.